Hi, I'm Mrs. Van. Welcome to kindergarten. This is my classroom. Let's go take a peek. Since you can't come in, we'll see what it looks like. Here's where we meet, our morning meeting, right here on the rug. And you can see our nice smart board we have. Here's where we keep track of the days and the months and our math chart and our beautiful light up board. If you want to look at the desks, you can see where they all sit for instruction. Over here is our book center. Here's our kitchen with lots of good groceries there. We have iPads for each child. We have outside toys. And if you just want to scan over here, we have dollhouse and baby dolls, beds, strollers. We have a Barbie house. Here's our writing center. There's our coat rack where we put our backpacks and our coats. And way over there is the reading table. And that's where we have reading group every day. And here's our reading books. So welcome to kindergarten. I'm glad you got a chance to just look at the room. So I will see you on the first day or maybe tonight at open house. Thanks, guys.